Skyler with Ignited Attachments. This is our stump bucket with optional grapple here. We're going to be installing it. Got the hose ran already through the step. Comes with the 90-degree faster flat face couplers, so easy under pressure hookup there. Everything's grade 50 steel. The cutting edge is a Borox 500. Glad you asked. So Borox 500, how hard is it? Well, there's this thing called the Bernal scale of hardness. Here's the formula if you want to do some maths. Anyway, mild steel is about 120 of these bad boy units. Our grade 50 steel, which we make our attachments out of, is about 135. That cutting edge is going to be right in here in the 400 to 700 range. So pretty hard, durable stuff, never gonna wear out on you. So that's what that means when we say Borox 500 and our grade 50 steel. So it's really good, solid quality material for you. So this bad boy is rated up to 100 horsepower. Great for getting rid of tree stumps, that kind of thing. Trees, these will cut roots on either side of it if you dig down. We've seen people haul concrete slabs away with it with the grapple here. You can get a nice big piece of concrete picked up with that if you're breaking out concrete. So multiple uses for a stump bucket, but pretty simple installation as long as you're strong as an ox, which I'm not, so I'm going to use a lift. But it's 3 bolts across the top here and then 2 in the bottom. Don't forget to grease everything. Keep some grease on hand. IgnitedAttachments.com. With parts, you can pick up a case of grease. Great deal on those. And check out our product pages for all the other great, high quality, shipped right to your door attachments.